Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic gear oil. First, gather your tools, including a drain pan, wrenches, and the correct new gear oil. Next, safely lift and support your Civic, ensuring it is perfectly level. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and complete fluid exchange. Always prioritize safety when working under your vehicle, using jack stands for stability. With your drain pan ready, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, typically found at the bottom of the transmission. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow ample time for all the old, dirty gear oil to drain completely. This ensures you remove as much contaminated fluid as possible before refilling. Remember to keep the drain plug and its washer. Once draining is complete, clean the drain plug and install it with a new crush washer, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, locate the fill plug, usually higher on the transmission. Using a fluid pump, carefully add the correct type and amount of new gear oil until it begins to seep from the fill hole. After filling, reinstall the fill plug and tighten it properly. Lower your vehicle and take it for a short drive, then recheck for any leaks around both the drain and fill plugs. Finally, remember to dispose of your used gear oil at an approved recycling center. Regular gear oil changes help maintain your Civic's transmission health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.